Hello, and welcome to Piedmont Technical College. We are thrilled to have you in our dual enrollment program. My name is Tammy Haynes, and I'm the Academic Success Coordinator for dual enrollment. Today, I will be showing you how to log into your Pathway account. First, you will need to go to your PTC main page located at www.ptc.edu. You may also want to have your PTC student ID number handy. This is located on your admissions letter that was sent from the admissions office. If you haven't received your letter yet, you may want to stop this video and contact the Office of Dual Enrollment. Next, you will need to click on the PTC Pathway tab located at the top of this page. Now that you're on your PTC login homepage, your username will always be your student PTC ID number. You will start with the capital P, followed by your numbers. Next, your password is a combination of symbols, letters, and numbers. For first-time users, the password is the first and second letters of your last name lowercase, a period, and your birthday formatted as month, day, and year. For example, TA period 10-10-89. Now that you're on your Pathway homepage, please make sure if you need to reset your password or you forgot your password, just go back to your PTC login homepage where you will find your login account, and underneath your password box, you will see a forgot password. You'll click there, or you'll see a reset password and you'll click there. Then you will follow the prompts as needed. Again, welcome to Piedmont Tech.